morning, Miss Tara here, and guess what time it is? It's my favorite time. It's story time. Let's see what treasure we're going to read today. Ooh, this one looks interesting. This is called The Penny Pot. This is another adventure by Stuart J. Murphy. Let's see. Here's a little sneak peek. I see coins and a paintbrush and paint. I wonder what we're going to do with those. All right, here's another sneak peek. There's a title of the story, The Penny Pot, and looks like somebody's painting faces, maybe. It was a hot Saturday in June, and the school fair was very crowded. The busiest place of all was the face painting booth. Miss Fran, the art teacher, was in charge. More than anything else, Jessie wanted to get her face painted. It cost 50 cents. Here they are. Looks like they're having fun. Jessie emptied her pockets and counted her money. Let's see. Let's count with her. She had 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 4 pennies. All right, so this is what she has, right? And a dime is worth 10 cents. So she has 3 of them. We're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, right? And then a nickel is worth 5. So we're going to add 5 more, and we're going to go from 30 to 35. And then pennies are worth 1 cent. So we're going to go from 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. She needs 50. Does she have enough? Oh, she said sadly, I only have 39 cents. Now she wished she hadn't bought that ice cream cone. She does not have enough. Don't worry, said Miss Fran. People will put their extra pennies in this pot, and you can have them. Wait and see. So Jessie sat down to wait. Soon Miguel came along. I'd like to get my face painted, he said to Fran. Sure, she replied. Do you have 50 cents? Let's see, said Miguel. Let's see if he has enough. He has a quarter, a nickel, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies. So we're going to start with our friend quarter here, which is worth 25 cents, right? And then we're going to add our friend nickel in. And nickel is worth 5 cents. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Right? And then we're going to add our dimes in. So now we're going to count by 10. So we have 30, 40, 50, and then we have pennies, which are worth 1 cent. So we're going to go 51, 52, 53. Does he have enough? More than enough, said Fran. Would you like to put your extra pennies in the pot for someone else to use? Sure, said Miguel. Now, said Fran, what would you like to be? I like clowns, said Miguel. Can you make me into one? In 5 minutes, Miguel looked like the funniest clown around. Jessie's friend Rachel came by next with her little sister Sam. I want my face painted, cried Sam. Okay, said Rachel. Let's look in your purse. There was a quarter, a dime, 2 nickels, and 7 pennies. All right, here we go. We'll check it out. We're going to start with our friend quarter, right? And then we're going to add our friend dime in. So 25, 30, because a dime is worth 10 cents. And then we're going to add 2 nickels in. So 2 nickels are worth 10 cents, right? 5 and 5. So we can go 35, 40, 45 by counting by 5s. Or we could go 35 to 45 counting by 10s. So now we're at 45, and then she has 7 pennies, so we're going to count by 1s. So 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. You have enough money, she told her. And you even have 2 pennies left for the penny pot. What would you like to be, Miss Fran asked Sam. A star, said Sam, because my mom says I'm her little star. Fran painted a big purple star on Sam's face. Then she added a twinkly sticker to one point right on Sam's forehead. Now I really am a star, said Sam. The next person in line was Jonathan. I know just how much money I have, he said. I have 54 cents. And sure enough, that's what he had. 3 dimes, 3 nickels, and 9 pennies. So he already knew, he already counted it. So here's 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. And look what he did. He bunched his 5 pennies together for us so we can get to 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Jonathan put 4 extra pennies into the penny pot. And what would you like to be? Miss Fran asked him. He said, I don't really know. Do you have any ideas? I think you'd look good as a bear, she said. And he did too. There he is as a bear. After a few minutes, Annie came along. I'd like to get my face painted, she said, and she put her money on the table and counted it out. There were 2 dimes, 4 nickels, and 13 pennies. Okay, so we're going to start with our dimes, right? And look what we're doing now. We're putting coins together, right? Because we know that 2 nickels equal a dime, so it's easier to count. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And here we put our 5 pennies together so that we can count by 5s. 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. Whew, she said, I have enough and even some extra pennies to put in the penny pot. I know just what I want to be, Annie said before Miss Fran could even ask. I want to be a scary monster. I'll do my best, said Miss Fran. When she was done, Annie didn't look like Annie at all. There she is. Just when Jessie was getting tired of waiting, Miss Fran smiled at her. Why don't you see what's in the penny pot, she said. Maybe there will be enough along with your 39 cents. Jessie took out all her money out of her pocket. Then she turned over the penny pot and dumped the money onto the table. All right, here we go. We got to count it. So she had 39, right? And we're going to add 1 penny so we can make 40 so it's easier. And then looks like she's putting the pennies together to help us into 5. So 45, 50, 51. 50 cents, she said, plus 1 cent left over. You can leave that penny in the pot for the next person who needs it, said Miss Fran. Now, what would you like to be? Jessie couldn't make up her mind. A star, a bear, a clown, they were all nice, but she wanted to be something different. All at once, Miss Fran's catnecked over the jar of blue pants. Scat, Chester, said Miss Fran, catching the jar just in time. And then, just like that, Jessie knew what she wanted to be. Do you guys think you know what she wants to be? Soon all the kids from school were gathered to look at Jessie's painted face. That's the best one ever, said Annie. I think it is, agreed Jessie. Isn't it, Chester? And Chester just switched his tail. Let's see. What does she look like? Does she look like Chester? I think she's a cat. That was a great adventure, and of course, it gives me so many great ideas. All right, stay tuned for next time. Bye.